With Android Auto, you can access some of the features of your Android device through your vehicle. Visit www.android.com/auto for a list of available functions and compatibility. For best results, update your device to the latest software version. If your device is not equipped with the appropriate software version, you may need to download the Android Auto app to your Android mobile device to use this feature in your vehicle. First, visit the Google Play Store on your phone to download the Android Auto app to your device. Then launch the app on your Android phone and follow the prompted directions to set up the application. To connect to Android Auto wirelessly, touch Settings, Connections, Device, and Add Device. Ensure that the code on your vehicle's screen matches the code displayed on your device. If wireless connection is not available, connect your phone using the cable that came with your device to a USB port. Once connected, the startup information screen will appear on the display. Touch Start Android Auto. Touch this icon to display a list of available apps and touch to select. To return to normal vehicle functions, touch this icon on the launch bar, or touch this icon. To return to the Android Auto screen, touch the Android Auto icon on the launch bar. To disable or enable Android Auto, touch this icon. Touch Connections, Device, this information icon, then Android Auto to set the setting to active or inactive. From this menu, you can also touch Vehicle's Help for Android Auto to view helpful tips on using the app. From the Device menu, you can touch to switch to a different device. You will not be able to use the phone handset while Android Auto is running. To access Google Assistant while connected to Android Auto, press and hold this button on your steering wheel, or touch this icon on your screen. For best results when using Android Auto, speak clearly and reduce background noise by closing the windows. Also, direct the vents so that they are not pointing toward the vehicle microphone. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.